Are you drowning in repetitive tasks? Imagine getting back 5 hours every week, completely on autopilot, with AI. That's not a fantasy. It's a reality accessible to anyone, even without a single line of code. This tutorial will show you step-by-step how to set up powerful AI automation workflows using no-code tools like N8N or Make, transforming your productivity and freeing up your time for what truly matters. Let's be honest, we all face it. Those tedious manual tasks that eat away at our day. Things like drafting social media posts, triaging customer support emails, or manually scouring the web for competitive research. They're necessary, but they're not high impact. Most people either try to automate with complex code they don't understand, quickly hit a wall, or worse, they just give up, thinking automation is too difficult for them. That's where they go wrong. What if I told you that no-code AI automation can manage these tasks, saving you not just an hour, but 5+ hours every single week, letting AI handle the grunt work? It's not just possible, it's surprisingly straightforward, and it's what we're building today. Now, let's get you set up with the right tools. For this tutorial, we're focusing on two fantastic no-code platforms, N8N, which offers incredible power and self-hosting options for the more technically curious, or Make, formerly Integromat, which is known for its visual clarity and ease of use. Both offer free tiers to get you started. Go to either n8n.io or make.com and click the Sign Up Free button. Follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. Once logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is connect some essential apps. For our examples, we'll be connecting Google Sheets and a social media platform like Twitter. Look for the Connections or Integrations tab within your chosen platform, then select Google Sheets and authorize access to your account. Do the same for Twitter. Now here's one crucial gotcha to avoid. Always double-check API limits and ensure proper authentication steps are completed for every service you connect. An expired token or a daily API limit reached can interrupt your workflow, so keep an eye on those settings within your account dashboards. Now, here's where it gets really good, building our core technique, an automated social media system. This workflow will create and publish engaging content without you lifting a finger after the initial setup. First, open Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet. Title it Social Media Content Planner. In the first row, create these column headers: article title, article link, target platform, and status. This structured sheet is your content queue. Next, in N8N or Make, create a new workflow. The first node you'll add is a Google Sheets Watch New Rows trigger. Configure it to connect to your social media content planner sheet and specifically watch for new rows where the status column is empty or says draft. This triggers your workflow. Next, we integrate the AI. Add an AI content generation node. You can use a custom GPT call, a Gemini API node, or even integrate with Claude. This is the part most people miss, the prompt quality. Type this exact prompt into your AI node. You are a highly creative social media manager. Article title from Google Sheet and link, article link from Google Sheet. Generate 3 unique, engaging Twitter posts. Focus on attracting clicks, sparking curiosity, and include 2 to 3 relevant hashtags for each. Keep each post under 280 characters. Also, suggest one compelling image idea for the post. For example, if your Google Sheet row has "The Future of AI in Healthcare" and a link to your blog, the AI might output, Tweet 1. AI is revolutionizing healthcare. Discover how it's shaping diagnostics, drug discovery, and patient care in our latest article. Link. Hashtag AI in healthcare, hashtag NedTech. Image idea. Doctors reviewing AI-generated scans. Tweet 2. Could AI be the cure? Explore the groundbreaking advancements happening in healthcare thanks to artificial intelligence. Read more here. Link. Hashtag Future of Medicine, AI Discovery. Image idea. Futuristic hospital scene with glowing data. Tweet 3. From prediction to prevention. How AI is transforming patient outcomes. Link. Hashtag Health Innovation, AI Breakthroughs. Image idea. Stylized brain interacting with data. Finally, add a Twitter post node. Configure it to use the AI-generated tweet text and even schedule it for later if your platform supports it.
You can branch this out to LinkedIn, Facebook, or even scheduled TikTok video ideas. Now, let's explore some advanced tips and variations that truly elevate your productivity. Beyond social media, consider implementing AI for customer support ticket triage. Set up a workflow where incoming emails are fed into an AI node. The AI can classify tickets, e.g. billing, technical support, sales inquiry, summarize the core issue in a sentence, and even draft a polite initial reply for human approval. This dramatically speeds up response times. Another power user trick is setting up a competitor and market intelligence digest. Using the Perplexity AI or a similar AI search tool, set up a workflow in Make to monitor specific keywords, industry news, or competitor announcements daily. Have the AI summarize the findings and generate a concise weekly report. This report can then be automatically sent to your team via email or a Slack channel, keeping everyone informed without manual research. For even more integration, connect your automations with Notion for dynamic knowledge base updates or with Slack for real-time notifications when a critical workflow completes or requires intervention. Imagine your lead qualification form triggering an AI to enrich the lead data and then push it directly into your CRM, notifying your sales team in Slack. Let's look at the real-world results. Remember that automated social media post we just discussed? Imagine waking up to see multiple engaging posts already live, driving traffic to your content, all generated and published while you were focused on high-value work. This workflow alone saves me 5+ hours weekly, freeing up my focus for strategic planning, content creation, or even just enjoying a longer weekend. It's not just about saving time, it's about shifting your energy to truly impactful tasks. You can apply these principles to so many use cases: blog post promotion, lead qualification, personal assistant tasks like summarizing documents, automating data entry, and countless more. The potential for reclaiming your time is immense. Take action on one of these workflows today and start experiencing the difference. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials. Next, we'll dive into building an AI-powered personal assistant to manage your schedule and emails. You won't want to miss it.